welcome back to my channel, Liana's Corner. If this is your first time here, thank you for popping in and I hope you enjoy what you see. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. So I have 3 notepads that have turned up this week from China, and they came from Dreams Come True store. I ordered this on the 27th of March. They got sent on the 29th of March and I received it on the 9th of June, and I paid $29.87 Australian for these 3. So let's look at them. I like how they all come in these different plastic bags. You get your basic toolkit with some bags, your drills, which we're looking soon, but this is the first one, and this one is blank pages. Let's have a look at the drill. There are 10 colours in total. So you've got like little baby pearls, little, I think an aqua colour, little flower shapes on top, bigger pearls, these really nice blue pearls, big gold buttons, some big red ones, some clear shaped ones, then you've got these clear rhinestones, green ones and blue ones. Put this one aside. Okay, the second one, if I can get it out the bag. Basic toolkit again. I got this one because I like all the lattice part there, look really cool. And this one is blank inside as well. So let's look at what I'm opening these drill packets. And this one only has 8 colours. The yellow, the orange, blue, green, blue teardrop, you've got your silver or clear, okay, green, and then your yellow ones. Excuse me. Okay, and the last one basic toolkit as well. And this one actually has lines in it, and memo and a date, which is quite cool. This is my first one I've had with lines in it. And this one only has 8 colours as well. We've got yellow, orange again, blue, like we've got a dark blue and then lighter blue, your clears, we've got different clear ones, some blue circles, and little white pearls again. So those are the 3 I got from AliExpress. And I'm quite pleased with them. So I will show you what they look like when they are finished in one of my videos. So yeah, so if you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye!